I am cooking now. Please don't disturb me.
I am not disturbing. I am just watching. What are you cooking today?
Something you should not touch.
It smells really good. Can I taste it?
No, it is not ready yet.
Just a small taste?
No means no.
I will take only one bite.
You always say that. And you never stop. Go sit down and wait.
Waiting makes me more hungry. What is this bottle?
That is oil. Don't touch it. Hey, I said don't touch.
I was just helping.
You are not helping. You are making a mess.
I can cook too, you know.
Yes, you can cook. You can burn food very well.
That happened only one time. Is it ready now? It smells really good already.
No, and it will not be ready if you keep asking.
I am very, very hungry. I feel like I have not eaten all day.
Good. Then you will eat quietly without talking. Stay there. Do not come any closer.
I am still far away.
Did you just taste it? I saw that clearly.
No, I was only checking the smell.
With your mouth? Do you think I am blind?
Yes.
You are impossible in the kitchen.
But I am very useful outside the kitchen.
Then go outside. Right now.
But the food is inside. Now it must be ready. I can feel it.
No, it is still cooking.
You are taking too long. I am starving here.
Good food takes time and patience. Go out of the kitchen right now.
Okay. Call me when it is ready.